Hello, I'm doing a pretty purple set today. I have done all my prep and applied my tips, cut them down, shaped them, and I'm starting off with this acrylic from CJP. It is called Lavender Pearl. It's this really pretty light purple and it has this silver shimmer to it. And I'm starting off with a full nail of that on the thumb. And this is a design acrylic, so it's supposed to be capped in clear, but I didn't do that because I felt like I did it on the left hand and I felt like it looked like it kind of muted the shimmer, like it didn't seem as shimmery, so I just left it by itself. And I learned my lesson because about 3 days later that thumbnail actually broke right in the middle. And I had to redo the nail and then I capped it in clear. So when they tell you it's a design powder and cap it in clear acrylic, you should probably listen. But anyway, moving on to the index finger. I am using this glitter. I do not remember for the life of me where I got this glitter from, but it is this pretty purple glitter. It has silver in it. It has other, I think, purple glitter that reflects different colors, like it has green and gold and pink and orange and peach and pink, like it has, and blue. It just has a bunch of different colors and it reflects so many different colors. It's just such a pretty glitter, which makes me even more mad that I can't remember where I got it. But I'm going to do a full nail of that on the index finger and then cap that whole nail in clear acrylic. On the middle finger, I'm going in with Amor from CJP. It's this really pale pink acrylic, and I'm applying that just to the nail bed. And then I'm just gonna bring it down and fade it out towards the tip of the nail. And then at the tip of the nail, I'm gonna go back in with that Lavender Pearl. And I'm applying that just at the tip of the nail, and then I'm gonna drag that up towards the Amor acrylic and then just blend them in. Then I'm going back in with that glitter and I'm just going to apply that right at the middle of the nail where the two colored acrylics meet, and just spread that out a little bit and then cap the whole nail in clear acrylic. On the ring finger, I'm just doing a full nail of that lavender pearl. And on the pinky, I'm doing another full nail of that glitter. So I covered the whole nail in the glitter, and then I capped the whole nail in clear acrylic. But my camera died sometime before I capped it in clear, and I didn't realize it until after I'd done all my filing and shaping. So after filming myself capping the last nail in clear acrylic and filing and shaping with a camera that wasn't recording, I went in with my top coat and added some crystals to the nails. Okay, this is my finished set. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time.